In front of me is an ROG Phone 6, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, extend the list, and somewhere between the toggles you should find the screen recording toggle. It looks like there it is for me. So once you locate your toggle, first time around I would recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will actually record and what quality. So I'm not sure if these are the default settings, but if they are, then I would say they're quite okay. You can obviously crank them up if you want to, but resolution I would keep at 1080p. This will ensure that your video or screen recording looks crispy. And also quality, it's set to medium. High might be will most likely take obviously more space to record, but if you see some kind of weird like fuzziness to your screen recordings when you're in motion, so for instance if you're recording games and you pan around and it becomes blurry, you might want to change it to high. If it doesn't, then keep it at medium. And now another thing you have is the frame rate. If you're recording something that you will upload to YouTube, I would probably recommend keeping it at 60. The reason for that is 120 might look super nice, smooth and all, but YouTube just doesn't support 120 Hz, so you will be only wasting space on your device, while it won't be visible on YouTube as an example when you upload it there. So YouTube only takes 60. So that's why I recommend probably sticking with 60. It will ensure that your video is still relatively smooth, but it won't be taking as much space for no reason. Obviously, if you're going to be viewing whatever you recorded on this screen right here, this is 144 Hz, or no, even 160 I think. So 120 will look super nice, and obviously you will be able to utilize it to the fullest. But in other cases, there is really no need for it. And the last option that I would probably recommend changing is the record audio. So you have a couple different options. You have microphone, internal, or none. Now you don't have option for both if that is something that you wanted. Too bad. So from here, let's get back to the toggle. And this time around we just need to tap on it. It asks us for access to pictures and recording, so it can actually record it somehow. So granted, access to audio, it does need access to record the system audio as well as the microphone, and allow screen recorder to access photos and media, so it has place to actually save it to. And it brings up a quick little options window right here as well, so audio recording touches and don't show again. It's gonna select start, and as you can see it's now recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded. If you open some kind of games, those will be recorded as well. And once you're done recording, simply tap on this overlay right here to save it. And this will be saved automatically to your gallery or photos, whichever one this phone uses. There we go, gallery. Now in the gallery you will have a couple tabs at the bottom, so you have photos, albums, and discovery. It will be visible under photos right here as you can see, but you should also be able to find it under albums, videos, and there it is. So that's the screen recording. Now one thing to keep in mind, as you can see, once you start recording in a specific orientation which is automatically picked, the device will continuously record in that orientation. So because we started in portrait and then the device flipped to landscape for the game, it kept recording in portrait. So that is something to keep in mind. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.